Beetroot has become one of the most popular crops due to its ability to grow in a wide range of conditions and its high nutritional value. Millions of tons of beetroot are harvested every year, providing a vital food source for the world. But how does the process of growing, caring for, harvesting, and processing this special root vegetable take place? Discover the whole journey in the video below. Our story begins with the planting process. Beetroot is a crop that can be planted either by hand or by machine, depending on the scale of production and the resources available on each farm. In small households, planting is often done manually. Each seed is sown into trays where they can germinate in a controlled environment. Once the young plants start to grow, farmers transfer them to prepared soil beds, ensuring adequate spacing between plants so that each beet has enough room to develop. These farmers carefully tend to each plant, adjusting soil moisture, monitoring water levels, and removing weeds to create the best environment for beetroot growth. Meanwhile, on large-scale farms, mechanization has become an indispensable part of the cultivation process. Specialized machinery can assist with soil preparation and sow hundreds of seeds in just a few minutes, allowing farmers to plant large areas efficiently and consistently compared to traditional manual methods. This mechanization is crucial for large-scale beetroot production, ensuring that each seed is sown with high precision and consistency, saving time and effort for the farmers. Water management also plays a crucial role in beetroot cultivation. Traditional flood irrigation has largely been replaced by drip systems and central pivot irrigation, which provide more consistent moisture levels while conserving water. These systems can be automated to deliver precise amounts of water based on soil moisture sensors and weather conditions, ensuring optimal growth conditions throughout the season. For small-scale operations or home gardening, manual harvesting is often preferred. So workers carefully pull each beet from the soil, taking care not to damage the roots. This method is labor-intensive and requires skill, but it allows for thorough inspection of each beet to ensure that only the highest quality products reach consumers. On large-scale farms, the deployment of modern beet harvesters has become an indispensable factor in enhancing both efficiency and product quality. Thanks to advanced technology, these machines not only increase the speed of harvesting, but also play a significant role in improving the quality of the beets collected. The automated harvesters currently available can gather between 20 and 30 tons of beets per hour, depending on the specific equipment used and the soil conditions. This technology offers substantial time and labor savings for farmers, enabling them to handle large areas with both speed and precision. A key feature of modern harvesters is the optical sorting system, a technology that enables the machine to automatically identify and remove beets that do not meet quality standards in terms of size or that are damaged. This ensures that only the highest quality beets proceed to the next processing stage, enhancing the value of the final product. The application of this technology not only optimizes labor costs, but also improves production efficiency, ensuring that the product meets high quality standards. After harvesting, beetroots are transported to processing facilities where they are thoroughly washed, sorted, and prepared for the market. In some cases, beets are delivered fresh to stores and markets for sale as whole vegetables. However, most of the beet harvest is further processed to extend shelf life and increase convenience for consumers. Beets are highly versatile and can be made into various products. Some beetroots are peeled, sliced, and packaged for convenient salad use, while others are cooked and canned, making it easier for consumers to prepare meals at home. In recent years, the demand for beet-based products has seen significant growth, particularly as more people have become increasingly aware of their nutritional benefits. Beetroots are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and iron. With their high antioxidant content, beets have become a popular choice among those looking to strengthen their immune system, reduce inflammation, and support cardiovascular health. Due to these extensive health benefits, the beetroot industry has seen considerable expansion, with farmers increasing their production scale to meet the steadily rising consumer demand. Thank you for watching our video on the fascinating journey of beetroots, from planting, nurturing, and harvesting to creating delicious dishes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future content. And please leave a comment below to let us know which dish you liked the most, or if you have any unique ways to prepare beetroots. We look forward to hearing from you. Nestled in the sun-drenched valleys of California, plum farming is a vibrant and integral part of the state's agricultural landscape. In today's video, we take you on a fascinating journey through the life cycle of the plum, from the first saplings to the final stages of prune production. According to 2020 statistics, the Golden State boasts approximately 125,000 acres of plum growing land, accounting for 95% of the nation's total production. This staggering scale means that billions of plums are harvested each year, a significant part of the American fruit industry. Like many other fruit trees, young plum trees are carefully planted and cared for during the early stages of growth. The trees shown in this video are about 8 months old, but it typically takes about 4 years from initial planting to reach full maturity and begin producing fruit. During this time, the trees undergo a meticulous care regimen. In the winter, skilled farmers prune the branches to control both vertical and horizontal growth. This important step not only shapes the tree, but also encourages it to produce more fruit in the upcoming harvest. Pruning is a common technique used on many fruit trees such as apples and pears, reflecting deep agricultural knowledge passed down through generations. As the seasons progress, mid-February brings new life to the orchards as the plum trees begin to bloom. During this time, millions of honeybees are brought to the farms to pollinate the flowers. Pollination is vital to the growth of the fruit, and these bees play an integral role in ensuring a bountiful harvest. As the flowers bloom, the orchards transform into spectacular landscapes of white and pink petals, a truly magical sight that is well worth witnessing. In parallel with the blooming season, protective measures are taken to ensure the health of the young shoots. Farmers spray natural probiotic solutions to protect the plants from pests and aphids, promoting more sustainable and environmentally friendly farming methods. The attention to detail and dedication to plant health is a testament to California farmers' commitment to quality and sustainability. About 3 months after flowering, the orchards come into action again as the plums ripen and harvest season begins. This marks one of the most labor-intensive parts of the process. About 9,000 seasonal workers are hired each year to pick the ripe fruit. On average, these workers earn about $150.00 a day for their labor. With such a large scale of production, harvest season is a time of excitement. And excitement as billions of plums are hand-picked from the orchards. Plum harvesting is a process that requires precision and efficiency. In large-scale commercial plum orchards, modern machinery plays a central role, reducing manual labor while ensuring fruit quality. Specialized equipment such as tree shakers or mechanical collection systems can harvest 10 to 12 tons of plums per hour, helping to speed up the process and significantly reduce loss. Thanks to the flexible collection system and automatic conveyor belt, plums are collected gently, limiting crushing and maintaining freshness when put into storage. The application of modern technology not only optimizes productivity, but also meets the increasing demands of the domestic and international markets. After harvest, plums are transported to processing facilities where they are sorted, cleaned, and packaged fresh, or sent to be processed into dried plums. In the video, we are taken inside one of California's prune factories. Here, millions of plums undergo a meticulous washing and drying process in specialized ovens. The result is prunes, a nutritious and long dried fruit that is loved by people around the world. Despite these impressive numbers, it is worth noting that the United States still lags far behind China in total plum production. In 2020, the United States produced about 390,000 tons of plums, while China, the world's leading producer, produced 17 times more. The video shifts focus to Washington State, where we get a glimpse of the pear harvest, highlighting the diversity and richness of fruit growing across the country. Workers in these pear orchards typically earn around $23.00 a box, demonstrating the widespread reliance on skilled labor across the fruit industry. From the careful planting and care of young trees to the extensive harvesting and delicate processing of plums into dried prunes, the journey of plum growing in California is a remarkable blend of tradition, science, and hard work. It is a symbol of the enduring relationship between people and the land, driven by the common goal of bringing delicious, nutritious fruit to meals around the world. If you found this behind-the-scenes look at plum farming interesting, we'd love to hear what you think. Have you ever tasted fresh California plums or tried dried plums? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another story from the fields and farms that feed the world. As one of the world's most beloved summer fruits, watermelon cultivation has come a long way over the centuries, culminating in remarkable technologies and techniques that maximize both quality and yield. China, the undisputed global leader in watermelon production, produces over 67 million tons each year, nearly 60% of the global supply. So how are watermelons grown, harvested, and processed to retain their fresh flavor? Find out in today's video. The journey of the watermelon begins in the fertile fields of China, particularly in regions such as Xinjiang and Gansu, where the soil composition and climate create an ideal environment for growing melons. The soil is meticulously prepared before planting, enriched with compost or green manure to ensure that the soil is loose, rich in nutrients, and well drained, with a preferred pH of 6 to 6.8. To retain soil moisture and prevent weed growth, plastic film is often covered over the fields. Seeds are sown directly into the ground or started in trays using a grafting technique to increase their resistance to pests and diseases. When the seedlings reach 6 to 8 inches in height, they are transplanted into the field with 3 to 5 feet between each plant to ensure enough space for the plants to grow. Chinese harvesting techniques vary depending on the size of the operation. On smaller farms or in areas without modern equipment, watermelons are harvested by hand using tools such as knives and scissors, with a team of skilled workers capable of picking 4,500 to 5,000 melons per day. Each melon typically weighs between 5 and 7 kilograms. For larger or more advanced farms, machines such as the Barone watermelon harvester are used. Equipped with a 100 to 120 horsepower motor and precision blades, this machine can harvest between 8,800 and 13,200 pounds of watermelons per hour with a built-in hopper that holds up to 2,200 pounds. Its automatic control system and fuel-efficient operation make it ideal for maximizing productivity while minimizing labor. After harvest, watermelons are quickly transported to modern processing facilities where they undergo an initial cleaning process using wet or dry broom systems to remove surface dirt. automated systems, such as the Unitech Uniboss, then sort the fruit based on weight and size, which typically ranges from 6 to 12 kg. Unage sorting line, for example, can process up to 3 types of fruit per second, streamlining the process of stacking, packing, and preparing watermelons for distribution. Packed into 15 to 22 kg cartons and stacked on pallets of around 50 boxes each, the watermelons are then rapidly cooled to 12 to 15 DDC at around 90% humidity, allowing for a shelf life of up to 3 weeks. In addition to being consumed fresh, watermelons are also processed into juice through highly automated production lines. These lines include washing systems, hydraulic presses, degassing equipment, homogenizers, sterilizers, and packaging systems capable of processing 2 to 50 tons per day. This ensures that the juice remains fresh, flavorful, and safe for long-term storage. Even the leftover pulp and peel are not wasted. They are finely ground and converted into organic fertilizer, contributing to a sustainable agricultural cycle. Watermelon cultivation also shows particular creativity, especially in countries like Japan, where farmers produce unique square watermelons by growing them in transparent molds. Originating in the 1980s, these melons are not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical, as their shape allows for better stacking and storage. Each square watermelon weighs between 11 and 15 pounds and measures about 7 inches on each side, fitting perfectly into a refrigerator. Because of the intensive care required and a 30–40% spoilage rate, only 200 to 300 of these melons are produced each year in Japan. Prices can range from $70.00 to $200.00, sometimes as much as $500.00 at auction, highlighting their status as a luxury item and a symbol of agricultural ingenuity. Another innovative method is hanging watermelons. Popular on specialized export farms, this technique involves growing watermelons on trellises, allowing the fruit to hang in mesh bags rather than on the ground. This prevents exposure to pests and mold, improving both yield and fruit quality. Although initial setup costs are 20–30% higher than traditional methods, production costs are 2 to 3 times higher than market prices. With careful attention to watering and organic fertilizers, hanging watermelons typically measure 10-15 inches in diameter and weigh 5-10 pounds, although larger fruit can be produced with special care. The trellis method can increase yields by 10-15% thanks to the ability to effectively control environmental factors. If you enjoy this fascinating journey into the world of watermelon farming, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experiences, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories from the world of farming. Your support helps us bring you even more amazing insights and innovations from the fields that feed the world.
Have you ever wondered what magical journey it takes to turn simple peanuts into the rich, fragrant butter that so many people love? From the moment
the seed is planted in the ground until the final product is neatly placed in a jar of peanut butter on the supermarket shelf, each step requires meticulousness, combining traditional agricultural experience with modern technology. So how are millions of tons of peanuts grown, harvested, and transformed into peanut butter? Follow this fascinating journey to discover the secrets of processing peanuts, one of the world's most popular foods. The journey begins on the peanut farm, where soil preparation is the crucial first step. Fields are thoroughly cleared of previous crop residue, weeds, rocks, and other debris to create a clean environment for the seeds. The soil is then tilled, a process that loosens the soil for better aeration and water absorption, removing large clumps of soil that can hinder germination. Using precision equipment, rows are formed approximately 24 to 36 inches apart, and seeds are planted 1 to 1.5 inches deep, with 2 to 4 inches between each seed. This careful spacing ensures that each peanut plant has enough room to grow without competing for nutrients, light, or water. Modern farms often use advanced machinery like the John Deere Maximerge 5 planter, which integrates tilling and seeding into a single operation. With built-in sensors and precision planting technology, this equipment maximizes efficiency and ensures even seed distribution, a key factor in achieving high yields. During the germination stage, peanuts require consistent moisture, about 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week from rainfall or supplemental irrigation. Proper watering ensures uniform seed germination and healthy root systems for young plants. As the plants mature, which typically takes 120 to 150 days, depending on the variety, they go through several stages of growth, from germination to flowering, and finally to the formation of pods. During this time, farmers monitor the plants for pests, remove weeds, and fertilize as needed to promote growth. When it comes time to harvest, timing is everything. A key indicator of peanut maturity is the color of the inside of the peanut shell. Mature peanuts have a darker inner shell color, signaling readiness. Harvesting begins with the peanut plants being pulled out using peanut combines, specialized machines equipped with blades that gently lift the plants from the ground. These combines also shake off excess soil while leaving the peanut hulls on the plants. After pulling, the plants are turned over and left to dry naturally in the sun for several days. This sun-drying stage is important because it reduces the moisture content of the peanuts, thereby minimizing the risk of mold and extending their shelf life. For drying, the plants are returned to the combine for threshing, a process in which rotating drums separate the beans from the vines. The clean peanuts are then collected in hoppers on the machine, while the remaining organic material is pushed back into the fields, where it decomposes and enriches the soil with nutrients for the next planting cycle. Modern combines are also equipped with cleaning systems that further refine the peanuts by removing rocks, sticks, and remaining soil particles. Once cleaned, the peanuts are loaded onto covered trucks and transported to processing facilities protected from weather and pests. At the delivery facilities, peanuts are first weighed to determine yield and then dried again to a final moisture content of approximately 10% or less. This ensures long-term storage without compromising quality. Peanuts are sun-dried or forced air-dried in large industrial systems depending on the facility's capabilities and environmental conditions. Once inside the processing plant, the peanuts undergo a rigorous cleaning process to remove any remaining contaminant. These shelled peanuts are then blanched, an essential step that involves heating the peanuts with steam or hot water to soften and remove the thin red shell that covers each nut. This process not only improves flavor and appearance, but also prepares the peanuts for roasting. Roasting is done at precise temperatures, typically between 320 DEJF and 360 DEJF, to produce the rich, nutty flavor characteristic of quality peanuts. After roasting, the peanuts are cooled and ground into a fine paste. The grinding process may involve several stages, each stage reducing the particle size until the desired creamy consistency is achieved. Salt, sugar, and stabilizers may be added at this stage to enhance flavor and improve shelf stability. The final product, peanut butter is then carefully packaged into jars, cans, or bags using an automated sanitary system that ensures quality and safety. Each batch undergoes rigorous quality checks, including microbial testing, texture analysis, and flavor profiling to ensure it meets food safety standards. From there, the peanut butter is distributed to retailers around the world, ready for families to enjoy in sandwiches, snacks, and dessert. Peanut farming and processing is a marvel of modern agriculture, combining age-old farming methods with cutting-edge technology to deliver nutritious and delicious products. The journey from field to factory is long and detailed, but every step is designed to preserve the natural goodness of peanuts while ensuring efficiency, sustainability, and safety. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of peanut farming and peanut butter production. If you find this journey as fascinating as we do, please support our channel by liking this video, subscribing for more insightful content, and clicking the bell icon for instant updates. Your engagement fuels our mission to bring you closer to the wonders of modern agriculture. See you in the next video. With an annual output of 3.9 million tons, cashews are one of the most popular nuts in the world. Countries such as Ivory Coast, India, Vietnam, Tanzania, and Nigeria play a leading role thanks to their hot climate and well-drained sandy soil, ideal conditions for cashew trees to grow. But behind each crispy and fragrant cashew is a long journey, from planting, caring for the tree, harvesting, to meticulous processing. Today, let's explore that journey to understand why cashews are not just a snack, but also a product of nature and human hands. Cashew trees, a tropical evergreen tree, can grow up to 40 feet tall and begin producing fruit within 3 to 5 years of planting. To grow healthy cashew trees, farmers must start by selecting high-quality seedlings, often choosing carefully grown, grafted, or young trees that promise higher yields and disease resistance. The best planting season coincides with the start of the rainy season, allowing the young trees to establish strong roots before the dry months arrive. Cashew trees prefer sandy soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH and require regular watering in the early years to develop a strong root system. Farmers often add organic fertilizers and compost to increase soil fertility, ensuring the trees receive essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Pruning is also important for tree health, as removing weak or overgrown branches improves air circulation and allows the tree to focus its energy on producing high-quality nuts. At maturity, a cashew tree can produce up to 50 pounds of nuts per season. Unlike apples or oranges, cashews are not picked from the tree but are harvested after they naturally fall to the ground, signaling they are fully mature. Cashew harvesting is typically done once a year, although the season can last for several months depending on the climate of the region. On small farms, workers pick the nuts that fall naturally by hand or use long poles to gently shake the nuts from higher branches to the ground. On larger commercial farms, specialized machines speed up the process by collecting the fallen nuts in bulk. After harvesting, the cashews are separated from the seeds. Although the fruits are sometimes discarded, in many regions they are used to make juice, jam, or even fermented into alcoholic beverages. However, the main economic focus remains on the nuts themselves due to high global demand. Before being processed industrially, farmers dry the harvested cashews by exposing them to the sun for several days. This important step reduces moisture content, helps prevent mold, and extends the shelf life of the nuts. Once dried, the nuts are packed into large bags and stored in warehouses until they are ready to be transported to factories for processing. The industrial processing of cashews involves a complex series of steps designed to remove the toxic shell, extract the delicate kernel, and prepare the nuts for consumption. The process begins with cleaning and shelling. Raw cashews are passed through specialized machines to remove dirt, stones, and other foreign materials. Once cleaned, the nuts are steamed under high pressure, which serves two important functions: softening the hard shell and neutralizing harmful oils. This makes the nuts safe to handle and prepare for shelling. Shelling is a delicate process, as the seeds are fragile and prone to breakage. Factories use a combination of automated machinery and manual labor to carefully shell and separate the seeds. Even after shelling, the seeds are still covered by a thin papery covering called the husk. As we remove this covering, these seeds are dried again, which loosens the husk and makes it easier to shell by hand or with a shelling machine. Once the nuts are shelled, they are sorted and graded. Cashews are graded by size and color. Larger, lighter colored nuts are typically sold as premium whole cashews, while smaller or darker nuts may be used in products like cashew butter or snack mixes. Despite advances in automation, humans still play an essential role in manually sorting, inspecting, and grading the nuts to ensure only the highest quality products make it to market. The final steps in the factory include roasting or packaging the raw cashews. Roasting not only enhances the flavor, but also removes any remaining impurities. After roasting, the cashews are vacuum packed to preserve their freshness and ensure a long shelf life. These packages are then distributed worldwide, eventually reaching supermarkets, restaurants, and consumers who value their unique flavor and nutritional benefits. Cashews are more than just a snack. They are the result of years of agricultural care, technological advancement, and human effort. From the hot sun of tropical orchards to the precision machinery of modern factories, every step of the cashew growing journey is critical to producing the high-quality nuts that are sought after around the world. Their cultivation supports millions of farmers and contributes significantly to the economies of producing countries, making cashew farming a cornerstone of sustainable agriculture. If you enjoyed learning about the cashew's incredible journey from seedling to snack, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of agriculture. Your support helps us bring you more educational and inspiring content. Let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and thanks for watching! Have you ever wondered how almonds are actually produced? Each year, the United States produces up to 3.6 billion pounds of almonds, a staggering figure that plays a significant role in local, international, and global cuisine. But how are these almonds grown, harvested, and processed into various products? Join us as we explore the entire process in the video below. The journey of almonds from farm to consumer is not just a simple production process, but a vital link in the global agricultural industry. When spring arrives, almond orchards bloom, blanketing the landscape with white and pink blossoms and releasing a gentle fragrance that attracts bees and other pollinators. To boost fruit set, farmers place beehives near the orchards, ensuring optimal pollination for healthy growth. After the blossoms fade, young almonds form within their green husks, marking a crucial stage before harvest. The almond harvest season occurs in late summer or early autumn, marking a key period that determines the quality and yield of the crop. Thanks to the development of technology, manual harvesting methods are gradually being replaced by mechanical equipment, saving time and effort. When the almonds are ripe in late summer or early autumn, the outer shell splits open, signaling the time to harvest. At this time, a tree shaker is used to make the almonds fall to the ground, ensuring high efficiency over large areas. After falling, the almonds are left to dry naturally for a short time to reduce moisture before entering the collection stage. A sweeper will gather the almonds into neat rows, then the harvester will continue to suck them up and remove dirt, leaves, and impurities. This process not only helps speed up harvesting, but also reduces labor costs and protects the crops. Thanks to the application of modern technology, almond harvesting becomes more efficient, contributing to improving product quality and meeting global market demand. Nowadays, almond harvesters are also gradually being designed to shake and collect at the same time, helping to improve productivity. When moving between rows of trees, the machine uses a clamping and vibrating system to make the fruit fall, and at the same time it immediately catches and transports it by conveyor belt, avoiding the seeds from contacting the ground. In addition, the machine also integrates an impurity filtering system, removing leaves and small branches before putting the almonds in the warehouse. Thanks to the application of modern technology, this device helps shorten the harvesting time, save labor, and ensure product quality, becoming the optimal solution for large-scale almond farms. After harvesting, the almonds are transported to the processing plant and undergo a closed-loop process. First, a screening system is used to remove debris, impurities, and remaining shells. Next, they are sorted by size and quality to ensure that only the best almonds make it into the process. Advanced machinery is used to remove the hard outer shell, leaving the edible kernel for consumption. Finally, workers conduct a final manual inspection to ensure absolute quality before packaging. Qualified almonds are fed into an automated packaging line. Machines build cartons, spray glue on the bottom, and fold the lids to seal. The system accurately weighs each 50-pound box. Packaged almonds are loaded onto trucks and distributed to markets around the world, to homes, bakeries, health food stores, and restaurants. To better understand the journey of the almond, we need to go back to where the almond trees were first planted and cared for. Almonds grow best in Mediterranean climates, where the soil is fertile, winters are mild, and summers are hot and dry. In the United States, California is the largest almond growing region, producing about 80% of the world's production. The almond cultivation process begins with selecting suitable varieties and rootstocks that match the local soil and climate conditions. Farmers prepare the soil by ensuring proper drainage, enhancing fertility, and checking pH levels to create an optimal growing environment. Seedlings, usually nurtured in nurseries, are planted during the dormant season to minimize transplant shock and promote stronger root development. The spacing between trees is carefully calculated to ensure adequate sunlight and airflow, fostering healthy growth, reducing pests, and boosting productivity. Since almonds are a water impact crop, efficient irrigation is essential. Most orchards use drip irrigation systems that deliver a steady stream of water directly to the roots of the trees. This method not only saves water, but also ensures that the trees receive a constant supply of water. During the winter, pruning plays an important role in almond tree care. Farmers remove old, diseased, or crowded branches to improve air circulation and optimize photosynthesis. In addition, pruning helps the tree distribute nutrients properly, stimulates the growth of new branches, and ensures high yields in the next crop. That's all for today's video. The journey from growing, harvesting, to processing almonds is a combination of traditional farming techniques and modern technology, contributing to improving production efficiency and product quality. If you are interested in this process, please leave your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to update more useful information about the agricultural industry.